Your VIDASHIELD UV24 ships with the wiring components you will need to install for the installation type that you ordered. If you are installing the lighted LED unit, the weight is 34 pounds, while the ceiling panel unit model weighs 31 pounds. To install the VIDASHIELD UV24 to an existing surface, you'll need to first install a provided mounting plate. There are a variety of pre-drilled holes that will accommodate various types of framing. You'll need a minimum of 6 evenly distributed screws through the plate into framing. Next, attach your trim brackets to your VIDASHIELD UV24 unit. These brackets are attached to the VIDASHIELD UV24 by included machine screws and a tube of blue thread locker that you must apply to each screw. Integrated splice plates engage your axiom trim to these ends. The installation of your VIDASHIELD UV24 to the mounting plate is easiest with 2 installers. Lift the unit into place to align the threaded holes on the mounting plate to the holes on the VIDASHIELD unit. Next, tighten your screws to hold the unit securely into place. After the electrical wiring has been completed, apply the included blue thread locker to all 4 machine screws and tighten them down with your screw gun. Now that the VIDASHIELD UV24 is securely installed, we need to trim it out with your 4 pieces of included axiom trim. The 2 4-foot pieces need the included splice plates installed with 2 on each end. To prepare them for final installation, hand bend each splice plate to the 90-degree position. Next, install your 2-foot axiom end pieces. The integrated bosses in the axiom trim engage the end brackets you previously mounted to the VIDASHIELD UV24. Now that your 2-foot trim is in place, it's time to install your 4-foot axiom pieces. You need to carefully engage the long trim pieces with the pre-installed 90-degree splice plates into the short trim pieces. Next, secure the assembly using the pre-painted flathead screws. If your unit has integrated LED lighting, its wiring is labeled on a different switched circuit from the other wires labeled for UV input. The LED downlight is designed to run independent of the ultraviolet light. When the UV and fan are turned on, you will see a brief red light, then alternating red and green lights that quickly turn to a solid green, indicating the VIDASHIELD UV24 is fully operational. Access to the VIDASHIELD internals for maintenance is easy with 2 spring-activated levers revealing the sealed UV chamber. Make sure your unit is disconnected from power before opening the UV chamber. To open the UV chamber door, simply rotate the 2 door latch fasteners counterclockwise and slowly open the door to its fully open position. All UV lamp and filter maintenance can now be completed within this open chamber. By sliding the black knob forward, you can access the filter and fan assembly. To learn more about the VIDASHIELD UV24 and its complete line of products, visit armstrongceilings.com/VIDASHIELD.